Mastering the art of paddling together. Understanding tandem canoe. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a unique phrase that combines adventure with cooperation. Tandem canoe. If you're curious about what this means and how you can use it, you've come to the right place. Let's paddle through the meaning together. A tandem canoe is a type of canoe designed for two people to paddle together. The word tandem refers to the arrangement of the paddlers sitting one in front of the other, in line. It's not just about the boat, but also the collaboration and teamwork required to steer and propel it effectively. The term tandem originated from the Latin phrase at length, and has come to mean working together in synchronization. It's used in various contexts where two entities are arranged in a single line, such as tandem bicycles. Let's put our knowledge into practice. Here are some examples. They rented a tandem canoe and paddled down the river, enjoying the scenery together. Effective communication is crucial when you're in a tandem canoe, just like in any partnership. Beyond its literal meaning, tandem canoe can symbolize harmony and balance in a partnership. Whether in work, relationships, or leisure activities, it represents two individuals moving forward with a common purpose. I hope this journey has given you a clear understanding of what a tandem canoe is and how it represents more than just a watercraft. It's about the beauty of coordinated effort. Keep practicing your English and remember, language learning is more fun when we're in it together, like a tandem canoe. Happy paddling and learning!